All right, the Global G40 Global LED string lights. A perfect choice for your lamp warm your everyday life. Made in China. All right, there it is, fragile, handle with care. Okay, you got your instructions here, manual. Anything specific? It says that. Okay, that's it. Here they are. Nice. All right, so they give you, looks like they give you some extra bulbs. 1, 2, 3. They give you 3 extra bulbs. 2 and 3. That's nice. And these are all in a chain, so let's go ahead and take them all out. Okay, so you can plug it in directly if it's short or an extension to it. So let's plug the extension in. Let's light this up. There they are. Okay. They don't put out any heat, which is nice. Looks like there it goes. A little loose, a little loose, a little loose. There it goes. So they are glass on the outside, LEDs on the inside. Put this around there. Well, there you go. It's a nice little bulbs. I like it. There's no heat at all. There, I mean, yeah, no heat. No, none. And they're not that bright that they blind in at all. They're just, it's a very nice light. All right, Quntis, way to go. I like them. Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, well, there you go. There's the open box of the 40 LED light bulbs from Quntis. These are nice little bulbs. They're not that large. They're about maybe an inch and a quarter. So it's a nice little size. They're not these big bulbs, so that's okay. They put out a good amount of light. I was quite happy with it. So overall, I'm giving it a good review. This is something that it's a nice thing to have, especially on your deck, whether you're going to put them on the lower railing or you're going to hang it above. I'm actually going to put them on the lower railing this time. I'm probably going to have to order another set because it's not going to be long enough to cover my entire railing. The last time I had patio lights, I hung them up on top, and it was okay. It's a little more trouble than I really want to go through this time. But overall, I'm happy with these lights. They are really nice little quality, inexpensive, and LED. So the bulbs will last a long time. If you can, avoid incandescents because those bulbs burn out constantly, and whenever you turn them on, it seems like one's out somewhere. So you want to go with LEDs, always LEDs. All right, guys, this is pretty straightforward, it's pretty simple. Thanks for coming by, I appreciate it. The first time here, thanks. Second, third time here, thank you for coming back. It's always nice for you guys to watch my videos. I do this for fun, so if you have any ideas or comments or anything you want to review, shoot me a message. Of course, I'll see if I can. I just ordered what did I just order? I just ordered a 360 Insta Go 2, so that's going to be a fun to review. And I got my Freecon Freedom Bluetooth for my motorcycle helmet. That thing's amazing, so that'll be coming up soon too. So it's definitely something you want to see. But anyways, thanks for coming by, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.